The way this is going, we might need local law enforcement to get this under control.
This is certainly one way to shorten your career. This looks like the setup, too.
Oh, did you hear the sound that made? The cover.
1, 2.
And they're still in this. Everything in this match is legal, and we have cameras all over the arena. So wherever these superstars' imagination takes them, you won't miss any of the action.
And you need a limitless imagination to win a match like this. You have to stay on the attack because fortunes can change with just one move.
Yeah, especially in a situation where a limitless amount of real estate is your battleground.
He's able to sidestep there.
Oh my God, a steel chair! Oh, what impact!
Getting up, but doesn't have a clue what's coming at him.
He's turning the tables.
Ooh, stiff punt.
Uh-oh.
Batten down the hatches.
F5! Thunderous! Cover! His arm shot off the mat before one.
Ooh. Oh.
Clothesline! Oh, he's got him up high.
Down through the table.
There's a fisherman suplex.
Oof. He's got him in the crosshairs.
Uh-oh.
Batten down the hatches.
F5! Thunderous! Looking for the victory! 2, 3. I don't see them getting up after that.
And with good reason. That ball had shades of downtown Austin.